when you examine the root cause of tension between people, problems that we have with one another, we cut ties from one another, the root of it is jealousy, because we grow jealous of one another. Even in one family, you see members of one family growing jealous of each other. Sometimes there are certain family members, let's face it, they get more attention than others. They are more liked by others. They're more loved by others. Other family members grow jealous. Why is it that he or she is getting all the attention? Why am I not getting the same attention? How come he's liked by my parents more? How come they like my brother or my sister more? And we grow jealous of one another. The first sin that occurred on the face of this planet after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Prophet Adam was an act of jealousy. When Cain raised his hands and he killed his brother because of jealousy. Why did Allah accept his sacrifice and he did not accept mine? Why is he better than me? This act of jealousy caused his destruction and caused him to become the first murderer in human history. The same applied to the brothers of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Why did they conspire against him and throw him into that well? Because of jealousy. Their father loved Yusuf more, and sometimes he would show it. He could not constrain his emotions. He could not hide his love for his beloved son Yusuf. Jealousy caused them to think of killing him, and eventually they threw him in the well. Jealousy is what destroys our families, our friendships. Sometimes some people, when it comes to their friends, they grow jealous of them. Why is it that my friend is the center of attention? Everyone likes him, everyone likes her. When he is around, you see everyone focusing their attention on them. And this feeling of jealousy begins to destroy us. Sometimes you're interested in marrying someone, and then someone else comes along, and he or she ends up marrying that person. We have this feeling of jealousy. Sometimes at school there are classmates who excel better than me. I grow jealous of that person. Sometimes it's at work, or I see my co-worker is progressing more, is succeeding more. And this feeling of jealousy engulfs our hearts. Now, you know what some people do, unfortunately? When they grow jealous of other people, they make it a new goal for them, a new objective for them to destroy the life of that person. I've seen people in society, believe me, they are willing to cancel all their activities and work and simply to dedicate their actions and energy to destroy someone's life because they are jealous of that person. They cannot stand the presence of that person. They're willing to bulldoze their lives. It's the end for them. And they will take drastic measures to ruin that person's life. That's why the hadith says the root of all evil is jealousy. And jealousy devours your faith just like fire devours wood. It completely destroys one's faith.